You were doing it before.
She's learning to crawl. Yay!
There you go. You come on. Come to Daddy. Come to Daddy. And just kidding. She can walk.
Yay! Good job, Audrey. Good job. Yay! He's so proud.
Mwah. Here, crawl to mommy.
Can you come this way? Audrey, right here.
She's like, nah, I've reached my
Audrey.
goal.
Audrey, come here. Come here.
Look at her scoot her butt up.
She's gonna do a bear crawl over to me.
No? Okay.
She's like, I already crawled all the way over here. Isn't that enough?
She's like, I'm in it to Daddy.
He just wants to stand and walk around.
For a second there, kid, I didn't think you were going to crawl. I thought you were just going to go right to walking.
Dr. Drew will be happy.